Welcome to Tech World channel guys. Today I am going to show you how to hard reset or factory reset your QCY T13 ANC earbuds or headphone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to reset or hard reset your earbuds. Now for the first method, you can reset your earbuds from QCY app. So at first just pair your earbuds with your phone. You have to just turn on Bluetooth and then pair it and then tap on done. Now you have to open your QCY app. Just open it. In my phone it's already installed and you can see it's connected with the app successfully. Now just tap here and then tap on settings option. After that scroll all the way down and at the bottom you can see more settings option, then just tap here and that's it. Here you can see reset to default option, then just tap here, then tap on OK to confirm it. And it's done. Now your earbuds has been reset successfully. Now for the second method, just remove your phone and then put your earbuds on the case. That's it. Now on the case you can see a button. Now you have to press and hold this button for 10 seconds. So just do it. You can see the LEDs are blinking. That means the earbuds taking reset. And it's done. Now just release the button and that's it. Now your earbuds has been reset successfully. And that is how you can reset your QCY T13 ANC earbuds. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.